back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to be testing no glue lotion slime recipes. So yeah. Also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is Gagna Unicorn, XX Abia, Unicorn HB, and Emily MOY. So if you guys want to be part of the hashtag notification squad, all you guys have to do is after you subscribe to me, hit the bell. That means you guys be notified right after I upload a new video. So after I upload a new video, make sure you guys comment down below at least under 10 minutes hashtag notification squad, and you guys can be like one of the people seen on the screen today. Also guys, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first no glue slime recipe I'll be testing today is lotion slime. So the ingredients you guys will need to make this slime recipe is lotion, and I'm using this one I got from Bath & Body Works. The next thing you guys will need is a bowl or plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I actually tested this recipe a while ago, but it didn't work, so I want to test it again. So I'm first going to add my lotion to my bowl, and that looks like enough. And now I'm going to take out my mixing tool and just mix it a little bit, even though it probably won't do anything, but I want to see if it does. And now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour, and I'll see you guys in a second. So it's been about an hour, and here it is. And it looks like nothing happened, but I'm just going to check just in case. And as I said, nothing happened. It just got really cold. But yeah, so this was unfortunately a fail, so let's move on to the next no glue slime recipe. Okay, so the next no glue slime recipe I'll be testing today is soap lotion slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is lotion, and I'm using baby lotion. The next thing you guys will need is hand soap, and I got this one from Walgreens. You guys will also need some salt, and a bowl or plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I actually saw this recipe on Google, and it was kind of surprising to see it on there because I didn't really think this would work, but I really want to test it for you guys today. So I'm first going to add in my hand soap into my bowl, and there it is, and it smells so good.